How's it going? Show me around. This is your garage.
Well, this is the garage. Okay, so first you got an air compressor. You got tables. It's very dirty, obviously. This is work in progress. You got the mirror. Now this is the. You just need one of these. Just look at it. Like, keep looking at it. Yeah, right there. There's Jay's playing with all the lights.
This is what I look like when I film.
And you got the workbench.
That didn't hurt because you don't drive standard, remember?
Oh yeah. And my left leg, yeah, it's good.
Still good?
Yeah, it's still good. Yeah. There's wheels here.
Hey man, these don't belong in here.
I know, you can take the back. Come here, look at the freezer. There's a freezer. So over the top.
Hey, that's a nice car, Sammer.
I know, right? The rust.
You don't really like the rust, eh?
I don't like. It just gives me OCD not being the same color. Like, at least paint the rust the same color.
Okay, so we got this boy, and then new boy. Tell me, Sammer, what's new? What's new since we did that video?
Since that last video, lip splitter on the bottom, license plate mount.
Nice. Looks a little better.
That, Jace. Fitted the headlights. Then we got white Mazda Speed 6 on Pirelli Winters. LED side indicators, so they're like sequential.
Some reflectors.
Reflectors at the bottom.
There you go. So we'll do another video with this, a little update when we have everything, you know, all up, because you know we got the new lights, a couple new things, and the white wheels look actually pretty good on it. So what is going on, guys? Today we're not at the Mazda house, but I'm down near the Mazda house. We're at Sammer's garage. We're here because he has a part for me. So today I'm going to be doing an install, a tutorial on how to do your passenger or your other, how Mazda says it, your third motor mount, which is on the passenger side. And it's huge essential to your car because pretty much when it blows, you can tell it's blown. That's how essential it is. So mine's blown. I poked my finger through it, and Sammer's got a new one. Let's see it. Let's see the new one.
I actually don't have it ready. Here, let's use this now.
All for passenger motor mount. Okay, so these motor mounts are filled with hydraulic fluid, and once these crack at the bottom here, they disconnect and they leak out through the bottom, which is why sometimes when they explode, you guys can't actually see it leak out of the bottom. So this one still has fluid in it. Mine, like I said, I poked my finger through it, nothing came out, which means it's blown, and these are super mandatory to have working and efficient in your car. My motor literally flops around, so. Can you put your Crocs on, please?
I'll put my Crocs on. I just gotta take a phone call.
You think we should fire Sammer? Just take over his garage.
He's got no keys with him.
Bye, Sammer. I would show you the motor moving around, but I assume you guys can already kind of figure out that it does that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys a little trick. It's a little warm, but if I stick my finger... Oh, I already made a hole. Fluid in it, because there's actually fluid in it. Alright, Sammer.
Yeah?
Do this for me.
Okay. Well...
Okay.
That was flawless.
So what we need to do first is, like I said, you're gonna need an assortment of tools. So the first thing that you guys gotta do is pull this coolant bottle out of the way. It just pulls up and moves it right out of the way. And then after that, then you got obviously you got 4 bolts total, but what you need to do is get a jack, floor jack. You bring it under the car and you jack the car up enough so that you can pop this off. And then you just put your new one on, tighten everything up, and then put it back down. So first thing that I'm gonna do, the coolant bottle out. Sammer, do you remember how to do this? Sammer's getting a flathead in there. There's a little pin bag here.
I'm pulling up. Sammer, watch out. 3, 2.
Cool. 1, 2, 3, yaga.
There we go. So that's out.
That's careful with your hoses.
Yeah.
Make sure you're not touching anything hot. It'll melt.
That's fine. That's fine.
That big boy and these 2 big boys, but first, Sammer's got the right idea. We need to jack up. You guys don't need to take the under tray off. Mine's mangled, so we're just gonna stick it under there.
It doesn't need to like lift anything, it just needs to hold.
Yes, we're gonna be doing this by the oil pan, so I did this on all my cars. Squirt, Shaniqua, and now, you know what the name is for this car? Lupa.
Lupa. Okay, well, put that there now.
Well, you said you wanted the PB Plus.
Oh!
Juicy.
Sammer's never worked on a rusty car in his life. Here, I got these. You're good.
Just ugga-dugga, you know?
Go ahead and take all these out. I hate using other people's tools. You know, I'm imagining blood on this torque wrench and the torque wrench on the floor in about 5 seconds. Jason, remember that?
Yes, sir. The first time I used that first aid kit.
Didn't I just sit down in disgust after and just contemplate my life?
Yeah, we sat.
While you and Cody stood there, they're like, Cody's like, what happened?
What's going on over here?
You know,
Oh, I was just checking out one of my grounds down there that looked really disgusting, but you know what? I'm not gonna even bother because I don't need to clean things.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
That is power.
Yeah, we can
Dude,
inspect.
that's May. Okay, here, so we do some inspection. So as you guys can see, so it's completely cracked. Obviously the other one, I couldn't do that. So this cracked, it looks like the first crack was right here. This is like, it's just disintegrating. And up here, where did I stick my finger through? Right here. You guys can see in there, there's no fluid.
Hold on,
There's
get it in the
bearing.
light.
There's bearing in there, but there's no fluid.
Gosh, that's pretty cool.
Here's Hammer, I'll trade you. Okay, so after moving the motor up, having this installed, that means that these bolts that are held onto the motor or in the block go up. Move this, put this in place. Make sure to hand thread these in so you don't strip these bolts out. And same with these. Torque specs are 75 and 45. And now you're good to go.
Also known as 1 Ugga and 3 Ugga. Perfect.
And we also broke his torque wrench.
Yeah, probably.
Dude, no, you're gonna over crank that.
No.
Yeah, it should be clicking
Yeah,
already.
that's perfect.
Why not? Okay.
Where's the clicky?
So anyways, while Simer's dealing with his broken torque wrench, we're gonna take this and just, that's good. It was installed.
Oh. Yeah, just edit this part out.
Full install. Wow, look, it installed it so.
Dude, give me another one. Yeah, this one's stiff. This one's real stiff.
Yeah.
Talk to the mirror. Talk to the mirror.
Full install. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you guys have any questions or comments that you need answered, let me know and I'll get back to you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video and comment down below.
Yeah.
Turn on post notifications so you guys know when I upload next. And we're gonna be working on the Mazda Speed, getting it together. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.
Who's cleaning the mirror now? You just smile.
Here, I got you.
Okay.
It's a clean hoodie.